Hi, I'm immigration attorney Heather Poole. Today we're going to be talking about how to choose the right immigration attorney for you and to make sure that they're qualified for your case. First of all, I suggest that you choose a lawyer who provides excellent service. How accessible is your lawyer? You need to find out that if you call an emergency, are you going to be able to get through? Can you get an appointment with your lawyer within the week that you call? Or will every single one of your questions be answered by a paralegal or support staff? Choose a lawyer who also offers free educational seminars or trains other lawyers. A lawyer who is constantly in the office and is never out in public, addressing the needs of the local community and clients just like you who reside there, are likely out of touch with the law, because they're often asked questions when you're at speaking engagements, and if you don't know the answers, then no one's going to hire you. So you want to make sure that you have someone who's active in their community and knows what they're doing. You also want to choose a lawyer whose practice is primarily devoted to immigration law. A lot of people, if you look on their websites or even talk to them, do multiple things. They can help you with your divorce, they can help you if you're injured, they can help you if you have problems with your boss, and they can help you with your immigration matter. This person is what we refer to as a general practitioner, somebody who dabbles in every type of law out there, or dabbles in more than just immigration. Immigration has always been said to be the second most complicated area of the law next to tax law. It is based on federal law and is unlike any kind of state, civil, or court procedure common to other areas of the law. This combined with the reality that immigration law is constantly changing, with new regulations, new cases introduced every single day, and new interpretations by CIS, even immigration lawyers find themselves specializing within their own field to keep up with it all. So be very wary if you're going to someone who does more than immigration. Are they going to be competent to take on your case? If you have any doubt that the lawyer you're speaking to does not devote a large amount of time to immigration work, feel free to ask them for examples of recent cases similar to yours that they've worked on. Don't be worried about offending the lawyer. This is your future. This is your life. You have the option to go to another attorney if this one doesn't fit with how you think things should run. You have choices. Be careful who you choose. Choose a lawyer who is a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association. The American Immigration Lawyers Association is the only national association of its kind that has the most immigration attorneys as members. It is a branch of the American Bar Association, which is the most prestigious and honored society of lawyers in the United States. AILA, as it is called for short, focuses on fair and reasonable immigration solutions, and we work together within AILA to get changes that benefit you and your cases. AILA attorneys have access to what other general practitioners and non-AILA attorneys have access to. We get to meet one-on-one with the officers and the supervisors who decide your case. We can talk to the consular officials, we can talk to Border Patrol, and we can talk to Customs and Border Protection agents at the airport on your behalf. So you need to ask the attorney, are you a member of AILA? Choose an attorney who will be with you through the entire process. Many people try to save a little money or hire an attorney who will just fill out the forms, but that's not immigration representation. A lot can happen even if you fill out the forms correctly if you don't submit the right things and you can't follow up with the attorney, and the attorney can't follow up on your behalf with immigration if something goes wrong at your interview. You want someone who's going to be with you from the very beginning, advising you on what documents to provide, advising you with any hiccups that may come up or any issues that arise, and also be with you to prepare you for the interview and be with you at the interview itself. How would you like to go through the expense and the time and get your hopes up that everything's going to go well, and then at the interview, everything falls apart? It is worth talking to an attorney who's willing to take the risk with you at your side. I also suggest that you choose a lawyer who has written many articles for the American Immigration Lawyers Association or has been published nationwide on immigration topics. They have to do their homework if they're going to be telling you about immigration and the law and how it affects you. Evidence of a lawyer's knowledge and expertise in any area is being recognized by his or her peers. And when you're published for national associations or in newspapers, then your opinion matters. Being asked to write for the American Immigration Lawyers Association is one of the highest honors an immigration lawyer can receive, because this association is in charge of training all new immigration attorneys. Similarly, speaking at AILA national conferences and regional conferences is also prestigious to any lawyer who is asked, because you're asked to train people new to immigration who have clients and their lives in their hands. Lastly, make sure you understand the positives and negatives in your case. You want to determine the likelihood of success in your case before you sign on the dotted line. It goes without saying that you should always have a contract with an immigration attorney signed by the attorney and by you, so you understand the services and the risks involved in going forward with your immigration case. It is rare that a case is perfect, and no lawyer is legally allowed to guarantee you a result. So that is a major red flag if they guarantee you a positive outcome. However, do your homework. Know the type of case, and if you don't feel comfortable with the attorney that they know what they're doing, walk away. If you would like my help with your case, feel free to give us a call.